Our next presenter is Charlotte Jones Roberts from the Curriculum and Instruction EDD program.
Imagine there's a tightness in your chest, your pit in your stomach, and your heart is racing. This is how it feels for students with anxiety who are about to log into their online course. In fact, did you know that 1 in 3 students report anxiety at a university level at some point in their academic career? It's true. And in fact, 83% of UCF students are taking an online course, with 99% of all academic leaders confident that both anxiety and online courses continuing to rise. That's why I decided to pursue this mixed method study in anxiety and online learning experiences. What I did was have a survey measuring student anxiety along with a survey measuring the community of inquiry framework, as pictured here. What this measures is social presence, which is how students connect with each other, teaching presence, which is how they connect with their teacher, and cognitive presence, which is how they connect with their content. Also, I measured short answer questions from a qualitative standpoint that helped me get a deeper insight into the results. Here's what I discovered. If you could read, if you could read this up here, I found that there was a correlation between social presence and anxiety, showing that as social presence went up, anxiety went down. This possibly means that as students feel more connected with each other, their anxiety decreases. Additionally, I found that there was no correlation with cognitive presence, but you'll have to read my dissertation to see why I think that is. Also, I found that as teaching presence goes up, also anxiety goes up. This is a strange finding because maybe when students feel more like they're overlooked by their teacher, they can feel a little bit more anxious about it. Additionally, in the short answer responses, I found that students really love for their social presence to have third-party student-led groups in their online courses. What does this mean? WhatsApp, Discord, any other student-led group that is away from the actual instructor can help them reduce anxiety. Additionally, with cognitive presence, students really prefer to have chopped up tests. Small tests throughout the course, not just one big one at the end. Finally, for teaching presence, students really prefer in online courses, if they have anxiety, to have super clear instructions, clear organization, and really good feedback from their instructors. Ultimately, what I hope to find with this study is pedagogical or teaching strategies that we can use in online courses to make courses better for everyone, especially students with anxiety. So, if you're a student in an online course with anxiety, take a deep breath. My study has got your back.